And we are today having MS Financial Services to present or rather showcase their products and services. All of you know that Hindustan Chamber of Commerce actually is one of the oldest chambers in India, and almost we completed 75 years. Recently celebrated our Platinum Jubilee. And we are also having many committees to cover various topics, to give some updation to the members, similarly to bring to the knowledge of state government or central government some issues. So the committee elaborates on various matters and provides an opportunity. This Grow Your Business series is designed for the benefit of members to showcase their products and services for other members as well as to the public who joins this program. I think this is the second episode of series we are going to have today. And earlier we had the first episode of some manufacturing of blades, what kind of material they are using. Very interesting and knowledgeable. Today we are having with us MSc Financial Services, Mr. 1 minute, I will read out his name. Mr. K. Sundaram is going to present, Vice President Operations, is going to present the various services and facilities provided by the MSc FSL. In this series, I request all the members who are attending this particular webinar as well as the public, please take note of the issues or other services which you feel comfortable and useful to you. And finally, please make use of it for furtherance of your financial objectives and as well as your business objectives. With this introduction, now I welcome Mr. K. Sundaram, Vice President Operations, MSc FSL, to showcase their products and services. Over to Mr. Sundaram.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh. It was a crisp and wonderful introduction. Thank you very much for the same. Good evening to all the members of Hindustan Chamber of Commerce and also all the participants who have joined this program through Zoom from various locations. I'll be making a presentation about the MSc Financial Services, which is one of the oldest organizations. Can I have the...
Yeah, PPT I have, sir. Shall I show this?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay. So is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Put the slide mode, Jyoti.
Yeah.
Put the slide mode.
Slide mode, 1 minute, sir. Sorry.
Bottom one button is there, cup button. Are you able to see that?
Yeah. Is it fine?
No, the fourth one. Fourth one.
This one, okay.
No, next. Before 50%, one item is there, 50%.
Okay. That one.
That button, yes. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, MSc Financial Services has got a very rich legacy of trust. It is over 8 decades and is continuing. As Mr. Suresh was mentioning, Hindustan Chamber is also 75 years plus, and we are also 80 plus. So, old buddies from the same part of the country, right? Next slide, please. Yeah. So it was started on 12th of August 1937. Basically, it was Madras Stock Exchange in the earlier days. It was the first stock exchange from southern part of India. It was the first financial institution from the entire Madras presidency. And the stakeholders of MSc include TITCO and leading corporate like Simpson, Amritanjan, Reliance, One Offshore, Polaris Holdings, and a host of HNIs are stakeholders in MSc Financial Services. Next slide, please. previous one. Yeah. So we provide stockbroking and depository services. We are members of BSE, NSE, MCX, and also depository participants with CDSL. Our authorized persons are spread across Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. We also have a branch network at Trichy, Coimbatore, Madurai, Salem, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Vijayawada. And our customer base is 10,000 plus. And we are offering a state-of-the-art fintech platform under the brand name Daily Gong. It is integrating trading in cash, derivatives, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, and all the technical fundamentals. Everything is integrated into that. Basically, some of the features include, it's a single sign-on app. With just one single sign-on, you'll be able to have access to your back office, your holdings, your ledger, and the trading also.
Mr. Anand, please mute, sir. Mr. Anand, Hyderabad, please mute yourself. Jyoti, please mute others except speaker, please. Please go ahead, sir, please.
Yeah, next slide, please.
Jyoti, next slide.
So our offerings include equity derivatives, commodities, currencies, depository services, live market terminal is available, mobile trading is available, technical charts, fundamentals are available. We offer IPO related services, bonds, NRI services, margin trading facility, mutual fund distribution, fixed deposits. We also have a research desk. We provide weekly research reports. Daily reports are being sent through email as well as WhatsApp to all our clients. Next slide, please. So this is a view of our trader workstation, Market Watch, and multiple screens that you will be able to access from our Market Watch screen. Next slide, please. So again, drilling down to the fundamentals of the company, you'll be able to get all these details from your trading app itself, either through mobile or through the desktop version. You'll be able to access all the details about a company from the system itself. Next slide, please. So this is just a view about our mobile app. So our login as well as Market Watch screen will look like this. Just to give you a look and feel of it, you'll be able to even log in using your biometric authentication. All those features are made available in the mobile app. Next slide, please. So yes, that is one thing which the whole market is looking forward to. LIC IPO, the biggest event which is just around the corner. It is expected to be in the next quarter, Q4 of this financial year. Size is big. The reach is also going to be very big, and a huge preparation is required from all the participants in the market to be ready to face that kind of a event. So please get ready. My request to members who are part of this presentation, who are participating in this, get ready, spread the word. There is a big portion which is going to be specifically allocated to policy holders as well, because the size is going to be so huge. They will require participation from each and every segment of the investing public. And one of the requirements will be, to link all the policy holders are required to link their PAN number to their policies. For that, LIC has given, various advertisements have been provided, and MSCFSL will be glad to provide support to anyone who is looking for this kind of facilitation. So anyone having any requirement of, linking their PAN to the policy or any service related to readying himself for LIC IPO, which is expected to be in the next quarter, we'll be glad to provide all the services. So demat account for various family members, special offers are getting ready and almost in final stages of finalization. You can contact Mr. Vishnu. The contact details are provided: 98401121. So he'll be able to, anyone having any special requests, he can offer, he can contact Vishnu. He'll be providing you with all the details about various offers that we have on hand. Next slide, please. Another important milestone regarding MSCFSL, which I am very glad to share with the audience here of Hindustan Chamber of Commerce. MSCFSL has been chosen as a partner by the government of Tamil Nadu for setting up the Apex Skill Development Center, ASDC, for BFSI sector, the entire banking, financial services, and the insurance sector. So this is a joint venture. It will be operational very soon, and we are offering various courses for making the students skilled and job ready. And all these courses are going to be offered in the days to come. Once the So once the company formation, other formalities are over, the courses will be ready to offer. So we'll be reaching out to the entire student community of Tamil Nadu and giving our support to make them skilled and job ready, so that we create a huge base of skilled workforce for the entire BFSI sector. Next slide, please. So we'll be glad to offer some special offers to the members of HCC. You can contact Mr. Vishnu. The details are shared. His WhatsApp number, email ID, and our website is this. Twitter handle is this. Get in touch with us. Follow us. We'll be sharing all information related to markets and other things. Thank you very much, Hindustan Chamber of Commerce, for giving us an opportunity to make a presentation. Sir, if you can provide screen sharing to me, would like to give a small demo of our product.
Okay, sir. I will do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, we given, sir.
Mr. Raja, please.
Yeah, Mr.
Sir, please go ahead. We have given hosts actually.
Yeah, okay. So, Mr. Vishnuvardhan, head of trading and RMS, will be giving you the presentation. Over to Mr. Vishnu.
Very good evening to all. First, thanks to HCC and thanks to Mr. Suresh Krishnamurthy and Mr. Nagappan and in this HCC team. Okay, you are giving us opportunity to present our product. Okay, I take this opportunity to explain about our DailyGong trading application. See, DailyGong, which is an integrated trading platform wherein NSE, BSE, MCX, and subsegment like BSE currency derivative and BSE mutual fund, everything are available. Everything are available in DailyGong trading application. Now I'll 92C. Sorry to keep you waiting all. See, this is our trading application screen. Once we log in, see, these are all the options are available. See, as a layman, they come to market, mean just more market watch, wherein many defined market watches are available. Exchange defined NSE. If you click on NSE, where you can see NSE 50 stocks and NSE 500 stocks and NSE 100, like that. We have BSE predefined also. Even industry based market watch also are available. Even if you want to see only IT software which are available in NSE, just you click on NSE ID, it will fetch all the details. Okay, like see, when you want to buy, just you click on plus button, where what is the unique feature I have in this menu is just order entry screen itself. You able to see the depth from where you can take investment decision. See how many buyers are there, how many sellers are there. In addition to that, all the informations like previous close, 52 week high, 52 low, then DPR, then LTQ, LTT, almost all the informations are available in a single screen itself. If you don't require these detail, see, when you feel you are having a lot of information, just no, I don't want to see much information, just I want to place whatever the scripts are available in my account or what are the scripts I'm going to buy. If you are already decided, just you can use this menu by clicking this down arrow and up arrow. When you click on the down arrow, you'll get more information. Same way, if you click on F2, obviously everybody knows for placing a sell order, you have to use F2. Then in addition to that, just when you are using a trading application for viewing a trade confirmation, for viewing a net position, for viewing a daily position, and all, we use various keys: F1, F2, F3, F6, and F8. Whereas in Daily Gong application, only the 3 keys: F1 for buying, F2 for selling. Then just you click on Control F3. See, just you click on Control F3, it fetches all the menus in a single button. Order. If orders are placed, that message can be seen. If trades are taken place, then that information can be seen in this menu. If you have any open position, the day position can be seen. Even margin, what is the balance are available, that can be seen in this menu. Activity log, holding equity, what are the shares are available, that can be seen in this menu. Even if you have a derivative position, if you have, that can be seen in this menu. Holding margin, see, if you are given for collateral, that information can be seen in this menu. For this, just you click on Control F3. See, apart from that, if you click on if you want to know anything about a particular script detail, just you click on right click, it will take you report. That information can be seen by click on then fundamental. If you want to see anything about company fundamental, just you click on right click, it will take you company information, news, all information can be seen. Once you log in into Daily Gong application, you need not log in BSE, NSE, and M6. All the informations are available in Daily Gong. The heat map. If you are a layman, you don't know anything about market, just you have money, you wanted to invest in share market, such case, just ideally you can use this menu, heat map. See scripts which are available in green. Just if you take, now I have taken IT in IT scripts. That's why it shows only IT script. See, if it is a green, sort by script, it brings alphabetical wise. If it is sort by change, it brings percentage wise. Even from this menu itself, you able to buy and sell. Just if you click on F1, it fetches a order entry screen. Same way, if you click on F2, it fetches sell. Like that, we have 100 statistical tools are available. Just this is our intraday chart map. Okay, wherein if you want, you can see multiple. If you know the statistical tool, then you can do it on your own by using Control S. You can build a own strategy. There are 150 tools are there. According to your convenient, according to your technical skill, you can use any of those. This average script. There are n number of scripts are in Market Watch. You see, daily gang application, you can have 6 Market Watch script, wherein each Market Watch you can have 50 script. See, you may get some tips from your friend circle or some other source. See, there are 50 scripts are in Market Watch. See, all the 50 script we will not be able to see. See, when you get one lead, see, you feel that the 63 moon will go 10% up or 20% up, or it will touch 240. Such situation, instead of watching entire script, you select on that script and you click on right click, then favorite script window. Only those script detail can be appear on the top of the menu, which helps you to take investment decision immediately what is happening in the market. Then this is a user setting. See, according to your convenience, you can change color, you can change font size, you can keep whatever the information you want, show order, net position. See, I want to see only show order, then you can click on show option, then you can save it. Then beep on chat message, then refresh on client report, like that, according to your convenient. Then last time these are normal. These are value-added service. See, action watch. If you click on control watch, which script move 52 weeks higher low, that detail can be seen in this menu. Even bulk trade, then option calculator, then market watch, bulk order. If you click on bulk watch, just a single client, multiple orders can be placed in this menu. Okay. Even fund management. See, now the latest technology, what we have adopted here, we have choose our payment gateway as Razorpay. What is the advantage? See, normally those who are in capital market for transferring fund, they use only net banking. Whereas on Daily Gang application, we have built UPI payment also. See, payment anything above, anything below 2 lakh, they can make payment by using GPay. That is a very big advantage. The moment he makes payment, within fraction of second, the amount get enhanced in your margin account, so that you are able to place immediately without seeking anyone support. See, there is a provision. Banking method is UPI and net banking. Both the options are available because the youngest generation people are prefer to use only UPI. That's why we have added UPI payment in our payment gateway. Then back office. See, normally when you open a trading account with other broking houses, what they do, they give trading application, they'll give you separate credential. For back office purpose, they give you separate credential. Whereas in our daily gang application, just one credential is enough to log in trading application as well as back office. Just you click on back office, without entering credential, you able to see the entire report. I hope most of them are aware. See what is the circumstance we use back office. See, back office normally we use for to take a profit and loss statement and to view the general ledger and what is the brokerage we have earned. See, if we want to know the share when it was purchased, all the information can be seen in back office without entering credential. Just this option is name is single sign on. Even mutual fund also, I told you, it's an integrated trading platform. So BSE, NSE, MCX, all. In addition to that, we also have mutual fund. See, just if you click on purchase, you have to select the scheme type. There are multiple options are there. Balance, bond, debt, ALS. According to your convenience, you select one scheme type and AMC you select. It fetches scheme. See, according to your convenience, you select the growth option or payout option. Okay. After fetching all the detail, just your duty is to enter the amount, how much you are going to invest in this particular scheme. That's it. After placing this, just you give the place request, automatically it will be taken. See, for your easy access, see, there are a lot of options are hidden. When you click on right click only, you are able to see. To avoid all this, just we also set a quick menu. See, normally investor, what they do, once transaction is get executed or transaction and pending, they want to see me, just click on report. See, there are some people are not able to remember what is the key to be operated for fetching all the information. Just you click on R, it fetches all the report menu. Likewise, when you are having holding in your Demat account, okay, just you want to see only those script information. Such time, just you click on MWH, which means market watch holding. What are the shares available in your Demat account? That information alone can be seen in this menu. This is option strategy. Option strategy, just you have to enter the stock, Nifty or Bank Nifty, current month or for month, current month or next month, or both. Margin premium, maximum risk, less than or equal to, or you are going to take a conservative risk or moderate risk. If you enter this information, after entering all the information, just you click on search. It fetches the detail, which option will be suitable for your investment. See, if you are ready to take only 5,000 rupees risk, such condition, it fetches only option Bank Nifty 38,000 or 32,000, which will be helpful. This is market summary. This is bulk trade. This is all indices. If you want to see all the indices which are available in NSE and BSE, see, if you click on NSE, it fetches all the indices which are available in NSE. This is a pivot point which is helpful for new investors, because without knowing anything, they wanted some market tips without seeking anyone's support. Just on application itself, there is an option. Just they which script they want to see the pivot point. According to that, they can make a investment decision. The support level is it shows 1,002. That resistance at 1,025. In between, you can take any investment decision. This is the news information. See, this daily gang application are available in 3 mode. One is desktop, another one is a mobile application, which is available in both Android as well as iOS, then web version. Now I'll connect you to mobile application. Application home screen, wherein you able to see Nifty 50 and Sensex are on top. Same way, my watch list. See, if you are having any shares in your Demat account, that information can be seen. In addition to that, you can create own watch list. Even you can keep even 50 to 100. Like that, you can have 4 market watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each watch list can have 100 scripts. Absolutely, it's not an issue. Once, see, for beginners and all, already we have stored predefined market watch. Just click on Nifty, it fetches only Nifty 50 script. Like that, if you click on a down arrow, further information, NSE, NSE Industry and NSE Business, BSE, BSc Industry and BSc Business. Like that, if you want to see only Nifty 100 stock, just you click on Nifty 100, it fetches Nifty 100 stocks. Like that, indices, you can see what is the indices is happening, which indices is performing well. From where you can take investment decision. See if you have done any transaction, that information can be seen on this summary. So below the footer, you can see order. If trades are happen or if order is pending, that information can be seen in this menu, pending or executed. Even portfolio. If you are having any shares in your account, that information alone will be appearing in this menu. See, this client is having some XYZ share in his account. So what is the price he has purchased? It shows today P&L is 255, which means the client was purchased 230.977 shares. It was purchased. This is a purchase average rate is 230.97. Today market price is showing 266 rupees. That's why it shows profit is 55 rupees, which means in terms of percentage, it shows 15%. Then alert, as usual, according to your convenience, you can set alert messages. Just when you click on client code, okay, there is a top, you able to see available margin and manage fund. Just if you want to add fund, if you want to withdraw fund, by clicking manage funds, you get this menu, add funds. Just you click on add, select mode, there is a Razorpay payment. Just if you click on Razorpay, you have to select UPI or net banking according to your convenience. See, even if you choose a UPI also, the moment amount get debited in your SB account, it will be captured in RMS margin screen the very next minute. Same way, net banking also. Even when you give a withdrawal request, it will be processed. If you see this is a cash segment, it will be processed at T+2, T+3 morning by before 8 o'clock, the time will get credited. Whereas if it is a F&O, T+2 morning by 8 o'clock, you will get a credit. The message, that footer note is also is available when you have to make payout request. If you make request before 11:30 a.m., the same day it will be credited, or else it will be credited next day. Change password, that is a normal option. All of them are there. Even a helpful link. As I told you, once you use Dailygang application, you need not log in NSE and BSE MCX website or SEBI link. Just you click on NSE link, it will take you to NSE website. Then fundamental, if you want to see any company fundamental, just you click on fundamental, it will take you there. Same way, once you log in Dailygang application, you no need to enter separate credential for back office navigation. Just you click on back office, it will take you to back office where you are able to see your transactions, post transaction histories. On top, there is a 3 button is there. Just you click on. I think my connectivity is really slow. I lost my connectivity. 1 minute. I will reconnect again. So on left hand, there is a 3 buttons are there. Just you click on, it will further fetches sub menu, home holding. If you want to see holding, Just you click on holding, you are able to see what are the scripts are available in your Demat account. Same way, if you click on ledger, just it fetches only ledger information. If you want to see anything, bill and contract, just you click on that menu, it fetches all the information. Just you click on report. See MPF dashboard, portfolio, global P&L, all the informations are available in this menu. Then online payment, if you even a daily long application itself, you'll be able to make a fund transfer. Even there are, if some people are not comfortable or due to some technical glitches, if you are not able to do transfer on front end application, just you can use back end back office application for making fund transfer. So far I have showed both desktop as well as mobile application. Now I will hand over the mic to Mr. Sundaram sir. He is going to.
That's about the presentation part from our side. So if there are any queries, any specific points you want to be clarified, we glad to take those questions.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for your lovely presentation. Yourself, Mr. Sundaram, and Mr. Vishnu. I think now the audience can ask any questions about the product or services offered by MSc FSR. Any queries? I think if you have anything, put it on the chat box or unmute yourself and you can talk.
Yeah, there is a question. Do you deal with futures and options? Yeah, we are dealing with futures and options. Definitely, yes. Please note down the number. Mr. Madhavan has given his contact number. We will get in touch with you and we'll take it forward, sir.
Any questions? Mr. Nahapan? Are you charging for a mobile application individually or web application or
No. No.
no, free of cost only?
Yeah, it is offered free of cost. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Margin funding, what rates are interest rates?
18% is the default rate.
Okay.
And based on request, probably on a case-to-case basis, it can be considered.
Okay.
So probably a couple of offers from our side for the members of Hindustan Chamber of Commerce. For the members, we'll be glad to offer free account opening, free Demat account for any accounts that are opened till say Pongal, 15th of January. And those who miss out the Pongal deadline, at 50% discount will be offering up to 31st of January also. And as I said, special offers are being readied for facing the LIC IPO for family accounts and all that. And anyone having any challenge linking their, or any support they want towards linking a PAN number to policy or any related services to get ready for the LIC IPO, we will be very glad to provide the same. You can contact Mr. Vishnu. The details have already been shared in the PPT. I'll probably mention one more time. The number is 9884011121. Mr. Vishnu.
Mr. Nahapan? is there? So now upon vote of thanks. I think it's not there. So now upon, are you able to hear me? Can I propose on his behalf? Because he's not responding.
Sure, sure. Probably he's a very busy man, obviously.
Okay, anyhow,
Go
on
ahead.
behalf of once again Hindustan Chamber of Commerce, I'm really very happy today to have this second episode of Grow Your Business series with MSc FSL. It's a very nice and crisp presentation. I hope all the participants would have taken value of their presentation as well as the benefits, whatever they want to give to Hindustan Chamber of Commerce members. I think that will really a good gesture from your side.